So what's next? It's workfly. This is one of the reasons why I do not like to rush things, because if I do not like it, it's like I'm itching to do it over until I get it perfect, even when it's not necessary. Cut open the binder and find just a piece of sugar board for so much money. Waste. Somehow I was expecting like a thick plastic, a thick reusable plastic. For those who just started to watch my videos, the original color for the binder was red. You couldn't even tell with so much work that I put into it, and now I have to redo it because I do not like it. By the way, sorry for the camera charger being in the video. I did not recognize that it was there. My camera was charging while I was doing the videos. Thank you very much guys for subscribing to my channel. Please like, share, comment and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. If you now realize, I've now removed the back and the front cover of the journal, so I'm just left with the center and basically the inside part of the journal. Taking this step to reconstruct my journal was very risky because I did not know what the outcome would be, so we will see at the end. Let me just take the time to say that I have a lot more video ideas that I want to do, so please ensure that you subscribe and hit the bell so you can know when I drop those videos for you guys. Finally got all the plastic off the iron metal holder thing. Don't know the name of that specific part of the journal. You can comment down below and tell me what it is. I bought another binder, but this one is very good. I'm going to show you the inside of it whenever I get the chance. So with this binder, it came with a plastic covering. I did not want to remove the plastic covering because it can serve as a protector for the paintings. The paintings were a bit big, so I had to trim down the sides. Don't be upset, but I ate the blue lining. I know, I'm very picky when it comes to my artwork. If I don't like it, I am going to change it. If you want to see how I changed the blue lining, stay tuned for that video. The plastics for the inside did not fit perfectly, so I had to do a bit of reconstruction there also. Plastic for the back was longer than the binder. I don't know why I used the Mod Podge that day. So if you're going to do this, do not use the Mod Podge or glue. Just use a piece of sandpaper and sand it down, then you paint. I end up had to remove the material from the plastic, then attach it to the new binder. The material for the back was a bit too long, so I end up had to lift up the gold trim, cut piece of the material, then bring back down that gold trim. If you like watching this process, I have other videos coming with the journal binder, so stay tuned for that. And this is the end result. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Artwork Fly.